light and sweet.
Wow.
Is it good?
Want to try some?
Actually, yes. The darling lemonade. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, that's really good. But this is really light. I like this too. I like Pinot, it's my favorite.
We'll never get it back. I think you should put it back on you and then we'll take it off at the hotel. So maybe we can
Stuck into the dryer, but it's not bad. 4 to 5 minutes.
Yeah? Here, I'll help you.
I have flashbacks of 50s prime time, but I have a feeling this is going to be a lot better.
Lucy, you need to eat a little bit. Remember our rule.
Much fresher than 50s prime time. A little more saltier, but really good. I like this. No lightness too.
There's more than like 2 shrimp in here.
You are so good.
Usually you just want to get the plate that big.
I can see I'm a little bit more salty. Pasta's good. It's definitely a lot better than 50's prime time, which tastes like it was a microwave. I give it a 3 out of 5 pasta. Hard to mix up chicken parm. 3 out of 5. It's good. It's not amazing, but it's good. So, we just got out of
Tony's Town Square something or other.
something earlier.
I don't remember the name of the restaurant, but it's Lady and the Tramp themed, so.
Yeah, it was good. It was actually a lot more themed than I thought it was going to be. It was just some run-of-the-mill Italian restaurant, but it was actually
A lot
really
of
good.
photos everywhere. Lady and the Tramp, very
Everything.
Lady and the Tramp.
Lady Trump fountain. Lady Trump photos.
Random fountain in the middle of the restaurant, but cool.
Subtle, not like over the top, but you know, you got the gist of it.
I was very impressed with the food overall because it was much better than other park food restaurants that we've been to.
I was expecting to be hot garbage, and it was
Me
actually
too.
pretty decent.
Yeah.
Above average, I would say. I would eat there again, honestly.
I would too.
Probably something different next time. I'm going to scampi. Scampi looked good. I regret not getting the scampi. But
like
the
my
chicken
vegan
parm
option.
was good. Your vegan stuff was actually pretty good. Like, I could eat that without all the peas.
And salt. It was pretty
It
salty.
was a little salty.
But yeah, it was like, would you like some pasta with your peas? It was a lot of peas.
But, I mean, as far as restaurants go here at Magic Kingdom, I mean, you've eaten it.
Cinderella's Royal Table, Be Our Guest, Jungle Cruise,
And
Skipper
now-
Canteen, and now this one. I would say this one's pretty much tied with Jungle Cruise. The other two I don't like as much.
So, I don't know, maybe we'll continue this whole evening Magic Kingdom thing.
Yeah.
And maybe the food here isn't as bad as we originally thought. But,
Yeah.
until next time,
Be sure to subscribe.
we'll see you again.